Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to put on this window film so we can have a little bit more protection in this room against the sun. These are two items we will be using today in the making of this video. Window film and window film application kit. Installing the adhesive-based window film is pretty simple. The first step is very important. The cleaner your windows are, the better your final result will be. Spray your window with a standard window cleaner. Then take a razor scraping tool to remove stubborn dirt or paint that is on the window, making sure that you cover all of the window space with the razor tool. Now spray your window a second time with the window cleaner and wipe the window down with a rag or use a squeegee to clean the window. Also remember to wipe down not just the window, but all the water that is left over on the side of the wood frame of the window. Next, measure the size of your window. Measure the window from top to bottom and left to right. In this case, the window is 55 inches by 24 inches. Unroll the film on a clean, flat surface, flipping the roll so that the rolled side is down. Mark the window film using a straight edge to draw the line that you will be cutting, making sure to allow 1 extra inch from the measurements you took earlier. After you have finished drawing your cutting lines, use a pair of scissors and carefully cut the window film. Now we'll do the same thing with the other measurement. Next, you will need to get 2 pieces of tape about 2 inches long. Place one piece of the tape on top of the film, then without touching the other piece of tape, put the other piece of the tape on the bottom side of the window film. Then pull the 2 pieces of tape apart to separate the window film from its cover. As you separate the cover from the window film, also spray the film with the application solution. Next, go back to the window and spray the window with the application solution. Carefully place the wet side of the window film against the wet glass, starting at the top, leaving about 1 inch overlap on all sides. Then work the film down to the bottom of the window. Once you get the window film in place, gently press from top to bottom the film against the window with your hand and smooth out any large air bubbles that maybe remain on the window film. Now spray the outside of the window film. Using the squeegee in your kit and starting at the top of the window, squeegee down to the bottom of the window in the center of the window. Next, very carefully squeegee horizontally, removing the air bubbles from the center to the side of the windows on both sides. Continue to squeegee the air bubbles out carefully as you go from top to bottom, making sure to remove any and all air bubbles. Before trimming away the excess film at the window's edge, take the yellow hard card from the application kit and press along the outside frame of the window. Next, press the film into all of the corners and place the cutting blade at the corner of the window frame. Then carefully cut away the excess film by pulling down and away from the corner. When the edges are completely trimmed, use the rubber squeegee and the yellow tool to seal the film in place by removing all air gaps and air bubbles. Well, we got this one done. Now we're going to do the next one. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.